Hello sir, this is M. Jagdish. Today's my topic is comparison of class A, B, AB and C amplifiers. Comparison classes A, B, AB, and C amplifiers. This presentation provides an electronic circuit analysis comparing class A, B, AB and C amplifiers. We will explore the operational characteristics of each class, focusing on the efficiency, distortion levels, and key differences. This analysis aims to provide a clear understanding of the traits involved in selecting the appropriate amplifier class for different applications. We now conclude with a summary of their key differences. Class A amplifier operation and analysis. Class B amplifier operation and analysis. Class AB amplifier operation and analysis. Class C amplifier operation and analysis. Efficiency comparison A, B, AB and C. Online in-store substitution. Online 5,000, 15,000, 18,000. In-store 20,000, 45,000, 40,000. Subscriptions 5,000, 8,000, 15,000. This efficiency of amplifier classes varies significantly. Class A is the least efficient, around 25%, while Class C ports the highest, reaching up to 90%. Class B offers an efficiency of about 78.5%, and Class AB ranges between 50% and 70%. The efficiency consideration often dedicate the choice of amplifier in application with limited power resources such as battery powered devices. The choice depends on balancing efficiency and distortion requirement for the specific application. Distortion comparison A, B, AB and C. Class A known for this its low distortion due to the transistor conduction throughout the entire input cycle, thus ensuring a faithful amplified of the input signal, making it perfect for high fidelity audio. Class B suffer from crossover distortion at the switching point. However, its high efficiency make it essential for application where conservation is key, with design adjustment of used to distortion effects. Class AB balances distortion and efficiency by minimizing crossover effects. This makes it adaptability to various applications demanding a balancing between signal fidelity and energy consumption. Conclusion and key differences. Lorem dolor consequent, each amplifier classes often offers unique traits of between efficiency and distortion. Class A is for high fidelity, Class B for efficiency, Class AB balances both, and class C for RF applications. In brief, these differences makes these amplifiers suitable for various applications. Selecting the appropriate class requires careful consideration of the specific applications needs. Thank you.